Hi! In this video I will help you to permanently delete your Facebook accounts, not just deactivate. If you wanna save your personal uploaded videos and photos before that, I suggest that you first watch my video How to save Facebook videos to iPhone. Okay, start the Facebook app and go down here. Scroll down to Help and Support and click on Help Center. Search for Permanently Delete and go to the article How do I permanently delete my account? And go to the article. Click here at Let us know. Enter the password to your account. Now your account has been deleted. You can regret the activation by logging in again within 2 weeks. And that's it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you got the help you were looking for, thumbs up. If you want more help in the future, please subscribe to this channel, because then you will find me next time you want help here on YouTube.